Hi, I'm Bev Shipley, your Member of Parliament for Lambton Kent Middlesex. Every year on Remembrance Day, Canadians are given an opportunity to honor the memory of our brave members of the Canadian Armed Forces, as well as to thank them, the men and women who continue to proudly wear the uniform today. This year marks an important milestone, including the 75th anniversary of Canada's engagement in the Second World War, the 70th anniversary of D-Day, and the 100th anniversary of the start of World War I. These conflicts, as well as more recent missions, including Afghanistan, will never be forgotten. We also use this time to thank the men and women who continue to wear the uniform with pride today. The recent and senseless acts of terror in Quebec, as well as in Ottawa, the shootings at the National War Memorial and on Parliament Hill. They are a reminder that our members of the Canadian Armed Forces put their lives on the line every day for our safety and freedom. The capital of our country is an exceptional place and will remain so thanks to the brave acts of these men and women and all other security personnel who helped on that day. As Prime Minister Stephen Harper said, "Let there be no misunderstanding. We will not be intimidated. Canada will never be intimidated." I encourage everyone in our community to join me in participating in a Remembrance Day ceremony, to honor the fallen, to commemorate the brave, and to thank all members of the Canadian Armed Forces for their service. Lest we forget.